Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to put one person on Do Not Disturb on iPhone. Apple's iOS updates have changed how you silence calls and messages from specific contacts. Here's how you can mute notifications from a single person without enabling Do Not Disturb. Firstly, open the Messages app, then find the conversation with the contact you want to mute. Press and hold the message without opening it, then tap Hide Alerts, or open the conversation, tap the contact's name or number at the top, then toggle Hide Alerts on. All you have to do now is tap Done. A bell icon with a slash will appear next to the conversation, indicating that messages from this contact are now muted. Just note that when using Do Not Disturb or Focus, iOS will notify the sender that you have silenced notifications. Now you can mute calls and texts from a specific person while still receiving notifications from everyone else. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.